Nico, I and Roman have found one of that rascal Pegorinos, man. See? Being under some building in a Curry Square. We keep an eye out on him.
Wait for me. I'm on my way. What is Roman doing there? This is not the place for him.
Back him up, Rasta. I and I both be, see? One love.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kasam Senza here, bring back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. This is the mission called Out of Commission, which is your final mission if you have chosen to revenge the sides, of course. So before you officially enter this mission, you need to go and meet Jacob in his car.
Alright, my brother, that blood clot been at the place. And I've been following him for a time, seeing? Me think him next up at Pegorino. We're gonna follow him there, seeing?
Thank you, both of you. But I do not think this is the place for you, Roman. This is too dangerous.
You are my cousin, Nico, and Kate died at my wedding. I'm helping you.
Rot it, see him there? You have to stick to him, my brother.
Fuck, we got a tail. Better lose this piece of shit on the way back to the peg. I don't want to be late.
Okay, here you go. So you see Pegorino's goons started to drive away really fast. So don't take them out. Don't even bother doing a drive-by. Really, don't even try even popping the tires. Just follow them. Headed back to the place where they're at, and simple as that. Just keep up with the driving, really. And here we are.
Alright, this is where you be going. What's the plan, Nico?
Jacob, you and Roman stay back. I'm going to get Pegorino.
Cousin, me and Jacob are here to help you.
What? You want to get this rascal going on, Nico?
Jacob, the best way to help me is to keep my cousin alive. I don't want to lose him as well. Also, figure out an exit strategy. When this guy is dead, I'm not going to want to hang around long.
Okay, here you go, man. So you're gonna stay here, take out these guys. That's on the roof, which is mainly the first thing that I would do, because these guys do have better vantage point to try to kill me. Of course, gonna try just look. Of course, there's no red dots on the minimap to tell you where all the guys are, so you just have to see where all the gunshots are firing from, and then you can retaliate. Of course, Jacob is finding a way out for you, an exit strategy, which you'll find later on in the video, or very similar to the ending if you have chosen to deal, which he'll end up using a helicopter anyway. So of course, these guys take too much cover. Oh, grenades. Oh yeah. And then let's just expose their cover a little bit more. So of course, done that. More guys there. Short burst fire is always the best thing. Is he there? I think he just trapped under the car. Oh, almost walked into that explosion. Oh no, he was just there. Get out! Come up! What? Oh, shotgun. Come out. See ya. Alright. Cool. Now let's head over to this building inside now with Mega Rage. Of course, before you go inside, you do receive a text from Little Jacob. So let's just read it. So keep your eyes on the sky. That's a hint already. So there'll be a chopper coming towards you. But of course, that's not really going to activate until you've started your showdown with Pegorino, with the official chase of him. So let's just try and see where they are. On the left hand side, see, look, there's that guy up there. Oh, can't really aim. Oh, in the head. Try to in the head. No, see, I just keep clipping the side. Oh, don't reload. Oh, yes. Reload, super quick, like it. Nice. Health pack on the wall there, if you need it. And there's more guys there, yes. Heard him as well. Nice. Let's go up here.
You motherfucker! Don't think for a second that this was anyone's fault but your own! You could have worked with me and everything would have been gravy!
I wanted out, and you killed someone I cared about. It's over for you now, Jimmy.
You immigrant piece of shit!
Okay, here you go. The official chase begins. We're gonna chase down Pegorino. And of course, as soon as you enter or exit out of this rooftop, there will be lots of guys there. So just make sure you just watch out, be careful. Of course, you can't really kill Pegorino here at this point because he'll be moving too fast. Or there's just no way that you can actually get a good sight of him to kill him. So as you navigate around there, just don't really... well, I'll say not really, but I'll say don't try to focus all your attention on that guy yet. We'll check out all the dudes here. Ah, come on.
No one can keep me from him.
So let's just run up here onto the roof. Pick up some ammo along the way. Yep, there's no dudes over here. There's definitely more dudes around. Ooh. Nice. Now head over to this side and get onto the boat. See, like, I tried to shoot him, but he just moves off too fast. So of course he gets onto the boat, so you will get onto the bike. And luckily he just drive along the shore.
Why didn't you just hit me?
So you don't have to worry about, you know, finding a boat to chase him out to find out exactly where he is. He'll be along the shore, so you just, all you have to do is just drive along the coastline. Simple as that. So there he is. Of course there's some dudes there shooting at you, but just totally ignore them for now. Because it's really caused not so much of a harm for you. Okay, so just keep your bike and look at the chopper there. Look at that there. So there's Roman in there already, so he's telling you make that jump. There will be a jump coming up.
Fuck you!
So there it is. See that marker there? Make that jump. Quick, make that jump. Keep your head down. Make that jump. Pick up some speed. And then you grab onto the chopper. Quick. Repeatedly tap A to climb to the chopper. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Nice. Okay, here you go. So as soon as you got into the chopper, you will immediately take control of the chopper. So just try to shoot it out. Just shoot the minigun, shooting the rockets. Anything will happen. So as soon as you get towards the island of the happiness, you see the chopper will inevitably get shot and injured. So you, as you're driving towards there, a little cutscene will trigger and see the boat's on fire as well. So you both need to get out of the vehicle, and that's when both of you can have a showdown onto this little island here. Try to escape and still perfect landing.
Wait here while I finish this.
Nice. There you go. Now officially chasing. Still gunning down. Of course, there's still guys there. Seriously. Still trying to. Where is he? Nice. Shot him down. From afar. This fuckface is now dead.
I told you to leave me alone.
I give the orders here. Me.
You're not looking so good there, Jimmy.
Screw you.
What the fuck did she ever do to you?
I wanted you immigrant dipshit.
Big talk. You wanna know something funny?
Not really.
The commission, the old families, I know some of those guys. And they thought you were a fat fucking joke.
Whatever.
A joke!
Cousin!
Yeah,
You did it.
really? I don't know. What did I do?
But we're done. Now we can start making money. Freely.
I suppose so.
We won, man. We won!
Oh yeah. There's my 100 G's, key to the city, where I've achieved 100% in this game. And there was my achievement to show off my accomplishment. Okay, here you go. So there you go, Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions. Great story, great city, great game. Hands down, I'll be definitely looking forward to the next installment of Grand Theft Auto. So I'll be hoping to see you guys there. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this series so far. And I'm out. Peace.